Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Spotify playlist with others. First, open Spotify on your computer. Now go to your library from the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see your playlists and other saved content. Find the playlist you want to share and click on it to open the playlist. Once the playlist is open, look for the three-dot menu near the playlist title. Click on the three dots to open the available options. Now, look for the Share option. Click on Share. A sharing menu will appear with different options. Depending on your Spotify version, you may see options for copying a link or sharing the playlist through available apps. For this tutorial, we'll use the Copy Link option. Click Copy Link or the available Copy option on your screen. Spotify will now copy the playlist link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into a message, email, social media post, or any other app where you want to share the playlist. For example, open a messaging app, click inside the message box, and press Ctrl+V to paste the copied link. You can now send the message to your friend or share it wherever you want. The person who receives the link can click it to open the playlist in Spotify. So the basic process is very simple. Open your playlist, click the three dots, choose Share, and then copy the available link. And that's how you can share a Spotify playlist with others. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tutorials.